Happy Mother's Day, everybody, from beautiful Oxford University Stadium, Swayze Field, and finally some beautiful weather, or at least no rain. And that's what we've had the last couple of days here in Oxford. Number 6 Mississippi State going for the sweep of rival number 14 Ole Miss. With 4 SEC regular season games to go, a win for Mississippi State pulls them within a game of West leader Arkansas. Ole Miss in 3rd, needing a win to keep their hosting chances alive. Ole Miss is going to send Gunnar Hoagland to the mound. 1-1 on the year. The freshman right-hander has a ton of potential, and he has been the number 3 starter all year. In the big 6-run 7th last night, he's going to pop this one above the infield. The first baseman, Kevin Graham, makes the catch, and how about that tidy 7-pitch inning for Hoagland. Servideo to lead it off for Ole Miss. Breaking ball, torched to right center. Diving and not being able to come up with it is McNamee. Around 3rd is Keenan. He's going to try to score, and will the throw to 3rd? Not in time. Governor's Cup 4 years in a row.
Yeah, we talked about Jake Mangum in the open, but Elijah McNamee, as he rips one in the right field corner, the senior right fielder for Mississippi State, and Mangum, they hadn't lost much to the reps.
Been moved to 3rd base in recent weeks. This gets to the backstop. Big Karam Johnson, the play at the plate.
Wow.
They got him. Hoagland got the tag down to get Foscue. And Mike Bianco getting guys out to that bullpen. Swinging at the first pitch here is Jordan Westberg. Going to be a tough play for Adams. He will get the out at first. Gilbert scores, and we're tied at 1. Plumlee's 0-1. This one is tanked to center. Mangum running back. Ball dying out there, and he makes the catch on the warning track. Tagging from 3rd is Servideo. But now Skelton and Halter aboard with hard hit balls. And another one back up the middle. That's going to bleed through into center. Gilbert driving in a run. He's on his way to 2nd. He's in there. And a new pitcher for Ole Miss, Zach Phillips, coming on in relief of Gunnar Hoagland, the starter.
Yeah, Phillips has been a starter. They've used him out of the bullpen, so they're going to go to him here in the middle innings to try to lengthen this ball game out and eventually get it to the back end of the bullpen. But Phillips, kind of an up and down year. We've seen some good outings.
Down and in. Walks in a run. And Tanner Allen coming up. Mississippi State goes in front for the first time today. It's 3-2.
Couldn't find anybody to get the job done.
3-2, down, walked him. Back-to-back walks. Mississippi State now leads at 4-2. Here's Max Chofie, 6'4", 220-pound sophomore out of Chicago.
Chofie has been very, very good in conference play. Just has a 1 ERA in 9 innings pitched in SEC games.
Base hit, left field. 1 runner's in. 2 runs will score, and it's 6-2. This is a base hit down the line. Coming in to score is Allen. Holding up at 3rd is Hancock. It's an RBI double for Foscue. Chofie gets another one barreled up. It skips past Graham into right field. 2 more runs are going to score. Sliding into 2nd is Jordan. And it's 9-2.
I'd be shocked if we don't see an answer from the Rebels.
That's another base hit. Jordan being waved around. Here comes the throw from Dillard, not in time. And it's 10-2. To short, Westberg. Low throw, it's in the dirt. Gets past Allen. Graham scores, and on to 2nd is Servideo.
No, but he has been fantastic this season. A big over-the-top breaking ball.
And the seniors, got to believe that's going to be well attended. Check swing, did he go? You bet, he did. Pitcher number 5 for the Rebels, Houston Roth now, the junior from right here in town, 6'3", 220 pounds. And he has been used primarily out of the bullpen since mid-March.
Yeah, Roth, one of those arms they were planning on leaning on this season outside of those two.
Line drive. Coming on, the center fielder.
Nice.
Did he make the catch? Yes! They have a chance to double him up, but they won't get there in time. Servideo diving to make that play in center. Jacob Adams at the plate for Ole Miss. They've got 2 on, 2 out, down 7 here in the 8th. First pitch swinging into center field for Adams. Being waved around is Johnson. He will score, and it's 10-4. This should end the inning.
Uh-oh.
No, it won't. Throw to home, not in time. Fitzsimmons scores from second base. And it's 10-5. Now Green, his job is to keep it where it is, a 5-run deficit. Again, the 2-2. Line drive, you bet. And an RBI to boot. Gilbert runs in. It's 11-5. Great offense from Mississippi State all weekend, especially today. 17 hits, 5 doubles. They win at 11-5.